know, I couldn't believe it. For little things that little things, like teeny stuff that I spent, what is it, 206 pounds, stuff that you need, cleaning stuff, guys. So, yeah, I'll share that with you. Let me get back home in the warmth. Okay, guys, this is about the stuff that we got for, like I said, some of it is cleaning stuff. So, if I were to show you how much is it, the cost is around, you can see, $206.93, right? And I guess it's fine, but you're just feeling the pinch. Okay. I guess it's fine, but you're just feeling the pinch. Okay.